Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just received this package from a mail. First thing I did is setting up my video camera and everything so I could unbox this and see what's inside. This is a diamond painting that I bought in January. Now we are in the second week of May, so it took quite a while to arrive, so that's why I'm very excited to open this up. So I'm going to put all the links into the description. It's the first time I buy a diamond painting, so I have never really diamond painting in my life. I don't really know what to expect. I've just seen a bunch of videos, and after seeing those videos I thought it was a really relaxing activity, or it looked like a relaxing activity, and the results might be quite nice. So I picked up a picture that I liked and bought it, and had to wait for a really long time for it to arrive. So okay, so we have the canvas, 40 by 40 centimeters. I didn't want it to be too small, otherwise the details would not come well enough. And this is the pattern I chose. It's like a green bluish mandala. Here we have a big 40 on. I guess it means that we have 40 colors, maybe? Sure does seem like a lot. And let me tell you, these little diamonds, these little drills, they look way smaller than what I expected. Then we get this thing, this little bag with pen, with a single placer and multiple placer. I have no idea how many drills fit in there. The wax, tray, and tweezers. So this comes with the legend on the side. The material is like plasticky, like a plasticky canvas, more or less. So here we have all the drills. I think I should count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. 30 colors. So let me open this. Ooh. So they give you a bunch of little Ziploc bags. So you can, once you open it, you can store them in here. That's nice. Nice, nice, nice. I like that. Okay. So again, here we are with the pattern. They tell you how to do it. Obviously it's in Chinese, so very useful instructions. So I'm guessing this is the number code, like DMC code, I think. I'm not sure. Well, we'll check later. The number of bags they give you and the number of drills you have on the canvas, I think. If it's anything like cross-stitching but then with diamonds, this should be how it is. So I think the first thing to do is to check that we have all of the drills. Okay, that was painstakingly long. So we have all the drills, all the colors are accounted for, so that's good. I'm going to try to open this up. I have no idea how to start it, so I want to start using it from here. I don't think I should do anything else, so let me open this for a second. So there are some rivers, I think they're called, here. So normally with an X-Acto knife I should cut into it and then flatten it. Glue is sticky, that's good. So I want to open this a little bit just to see how the final picture would more or less out. The picture looks kind of dark, but I guess that will change once I add the drills on it. So if you can see the symbols, they're kind of clear. They're a little bit foggy, but they're kind of easy to read. Anyways, I'm gonna close this back up. Put you guys into a different position so we can start actually making one little square of this. Okay, so I changed the angle so you have a better view of the area I'm going to work on. What I'm going to do is I'm going to divide this into a square. So let's see, I'm going to try right here. 1 and 2. That looks perfect. And then after I can reposition this way back on top. So I know there are different techniques to approach this. Let me just take the little set here. So we have the tweezers, got the wax, so you peel this off, and the pen. And it's so cute, it has glitter inside. Oh, okay, so there's some wax on the tray. Oh, look, these trays in videos on YouTube and stuff, and they look so much bigger than you have it in your hand, and it's like a teeny tiny little thing. It's cool it has a funnel though. It's gonna come in handy. So this is a piece that does not have rivers or any imperfections, so that's good. You guys can also have a good view on it. So first I think I'm gonna prep the pen. So I'm guessing that's how you fill it, more or less. Okay, so here, as you can see, there is the wax. Will I need a multiplacer? It might with the V's, so I'm gonna prep the multiplacer too. I have a feeling that this wax is like gonna finish immediately, but ooh, that's done. So this I can close, get them back in. Okay, so we have the F's. Let's start here. So I want to try and start with these. So let's see. F is 3817. That's a bluish color. So afraid I'm gonna spill these everywhere. Just feel like a recipe for disaster. Anyways, so then you're supposed to shake without losing any of the drills. I swear this looks more difficult than it looks. Alright, let's look at the drills. They look nice and shiny, and I don't see any imperfections. Not really sure what I should be looking for, but these look quite nice. So let's start with the first one. So we're sure this is this, right? So here we have 3817. 3817 is F, and here we have the F's. So let's try it out. Is this an F? Yes, it is. So what a lot of people I've seen doing on YouTube is a checkerboard method. So this means that if you have a big area with the same letter, you can like every time skip a square so that when you put it back, so when you go filling in the missing ones, the squares fall right into place. This is the checkerboard. So you see this is a lot of F's, so you skip one every time. Something like that. And then you go and fill the gaps. Some weird stuff over here. Okay, so here I see there's a nice line of F's, so I can actually try. Oh no, this is too long. No! Is there anywhere I can use this? No. Unless I just use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see if I can do the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I picked up 5 drills, which I'm gonna place right here. Wow, magic. But it seems kind of complicated. Funny how it like leaves like little holes in the wax. Okay, so I'm going to put you into time lapse and I'm gonna work on this square. Hi, this is me from the future. I just wanted to give my opinion on this painting and on diamond painting in general. I've been working on this for the past few days and let me tell you, it takes forever. I think I've been on it for about 12 hours and only completed 1/4 of it. I'll show you the progress later. I've enjoyed working on it quite a bit. Surprisingly, I didn't need any other distraction to keep me going like TV or music. And it's impressive how easily and how quickly I could just get lost in my thoughts while diamond painting, not caring about what's going on around me. Almost like meditation, I'd say. I wouldn't say I'm going to diamond paint every day from now on, but it's definitely something I'd recommend to someone looking for a new relaxing hobby. For what concerns this particular diamond painting, well, you need really good eyes. The similarity between symbols is just impressive, and not in a good way. You get V's and Y's next to each other, D's and Q's, K's and X's, and they are all similar colors, so it kind of get really complicated at a certain point. So that's really less pleasant. Also, I found some unusable drills. They had like an edge which would prevent them to fit in the pattern, so that's also to take into consideration, I guess. But the painting itself is not as defined as I hoped. It's quite blurry, and I think that for the size that I got, it should have been better. That makes me think that the original image the company used wasn't of a high enough resolution, but if you hang it on a wall and see it from a small distance, it will look pretty well. I've also found myself liking the use of tweezers quite a bit, especially when working on a new square. It feels like I can position drills more precisely with them. So if there aren't any other drills around, I use the tweezers and then set the checkerboard pattern in place to fill it up with the pen later on. So here is what I've done so far. Gotta say, colors are gorgeous. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Have a great day and see you in the next video. Bye!